What is the function of a DNS domain name service text record? So it resolves an IP address to a host name for reverse lookups. Is that right? Nope. That one is going to be a pointer. So when you have an IP address and you want to resolve it to a host name, that's going to be PTR or pointer. So you're going from like 8.8.8.8 to google.com. Typically with like DNS, you'd be going from google.com to 8.8.8.8, but this is just the reverse lookup. And then we have maps a domain name to a list of mail servers for that domain. That's going to be a function of the mail exchange, or MX. So you have a domain, okay, and then you have mail servers in that domain. It basically allows which mails can come in, tells it who to go to. And then we have provides outside services with additional information about the domain. That is going to be a text record. And I mean, it has to be, right? If you're providing information, it has to be some kind of record, at least. So it's a text record, and it's highly versatile. It allows domain admins to add human services text or machine readable data, and this could be for various purposes. It could be for documentation, it could be for any kind of like scripting. So that's the answer. And then we have not used to direct traffic. So can it direct traffic? What's the function of a DNS text record? Well, unlike our single A, quadruple A, those are for IPv4, IPv6, MX, the mail exchange, or CNAME, which is canonical name, and this creates an alias for domain names, host names. It does not directly instruct how network traffic should be routed or where it should go to. It's going to provide information that other systems use to make decisions, but not directly move traffic themselves. And the last one we have is allows multiple domain names to resolve to the same IP address. Nope, this is going to be CNAME, which we just went over, the canonical name. It's for the aliasing. The primary function of an A record, if multiple domain names point to the same address, is going to be the C name. That's going to handle it. So if multiple host names point to the same canonical names, it will then resolve it to an IP, and that's when then the A or the quadruple A, depending on if you're using IPv4 or IPv6, comes in. So what is the function of a DNS text record? It's going to be to provide outside services with additional information about a domain.